Hey pretties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Pretty Mrs. Today we're going to be doing a lace closure wig install. Yes, on a low hairline at that. This is a 5x5 lace closure from my hairline. I'm going to show you how I install it. And I made this wig, so this is a custom wig. So right now I am defining the part. You pluck your part, you put your comb in the middle, and then you spray it with this black hairspray or dark brown. You get the same color hairspray as your wig. So right now I am basically like tinting the lace. I'm using the concealer that matches my skin tone to the T, and then I'm putting it on the underside of the lace so that it matches my skin complexion. And this is a 5x5 closure, so it's really big. And this is how it looks at the end, and you see it looks like scalp, baby. Yes. Now we're gonna wear a wig cap. You see how low my edges go? Like, this is why I can't wear frontals. And yes, I have shaved them off before because I really want to try a frontal, and I'm happy that they did grow back. So they're in the process of growing back now. I shaved them off like 2 months ago, but that's besides that. I have a really low hairline and it kind of prohibits me from doing certain styles. But I'm gonna show you how to fake it till you make it and make your closure still look bomb. So now I'm putting my concealer on my cap now so it can match. Now I'm gonna clean where I'm gonna put the glue on my forehead with alcohol so that my makeup does not interfere with the glue and is safe and secure. Okay, now it's time to put on the wig. Boom, baby, scalp. Do you see that? The concealer matches perfect. And I believe this is transparent lace, 5x5, Bohemian Wave. And I plucked the front and styled it. So this is how we're looking. There's 2 ways to apply your wig. You can just glue you can spray the front when it got to be sprayed, or you can glue it. Today I just bought Bold Hold, so I'm gonna test this one out. I normally do the hairspray because I like taking my wigs off at night, but I wanted to glue it. And I'm only doing 1 layer today because I really wasn't planning on keeping this in long. I actually wanted to wash my hair, but my client wanted to see how I applied my wig. So, because you know we're all on lockdown now because of this virus going around, I can't go to her to apply it. So I'm showing her how to apply it. And I decided to make a video out of it. So basically, and yes, that is a knife that I found on my kitchen table. It is very clean. I took it out the pack and I was like, I could use this to smooth my glue. So you want a nice, thin, even layer of glue. And you have to let it dry clear. I must say this glue took forever to dry. So I used the blow dryer. I went from hot setting to cool setting. I let it dry on its own and it took forever, honestly. And please don't be mad at me. After it dried clear, I pulled it down into the glue and the video clip deleted. I was so upset. But I just put it down into the glue and now I'm blow drying it. I swear I'm going back and forth between hot and cold because I don't know which one to really do or which one works. But yeah, heat, coolness, you just melting that lace and drying it into that lace, you know, that glue in that lace. Okay, so now we are going to tie this up. I'm pushing the hair back because I'm about to put some free spray on it. Because as you remember or you saw that I only put the glue in the middle of my forehead where the skin was. And my hairline is on the other side. So I'm not putting glue on my hair. I'm putting the free spray because that's waterproof. So now I'm just spraying the free spray all across my hairline so that I won't damage my edges. Even though I know they grow back, thank God. So now first I'm going to blow dry the hairspray. Just probably for like 2-3 minutes because my hand was hurting. And now I'm going to tie it down with an elastic band. Fix it, adjust it right so that it's pressing on the lace. And now you shall wait. I think I wait about 10-15 minutes. I don't have patience, so it did what it did. Now I'll be taking it off. And it's stuck to my head because that got to be sprayed everywhere. So try to make it more controlled when you do it. I think something's wrong with my nozzle, so it just sprays everywhere. And this kind of hurts when you're pulling it back. Now I'm taking a scissor and I'm cutting it straight down the middle because I'm going to do side by side, like cut it off one side at a time. So you're just going to cut it off to the part that you glued. And I'm going to razor it off. And I'm sorry, my camera started acting up, so some of my clips got deleted. But basically, I'm just razoring it off in a zigzag motion. Now you see, and I had put Got to Please gel on my edges before I did this, and you see how when I put the spray, it is turning white underneath. So probably don't do that, but I clean it up with alcohol. So anything's done can be fixed. Don't worry, don't fret. See, now I'm cleaning it off with alcohol, and it came right off. So try to cut as close as you can with the lace. You see how there's some pieces left? I'm gonna go in and clean it up. But it's coming off as white now, so I'm using that same brush I had concealer on and dabbing the edges so that it can blend more seamless. Be very careful. You just want to try to cut as much as possible. Try not to cut yourself though. Now we're going to put the free spray on the fronts and melt that back in, because you're not going to be walking around like that. Like, that looks crazy. So we're going to melt that in. See? Disappear. Lace away. Now I put my headband back on, and I waited about like another 10 minutes. Bam! Skin Scalpiana. So now this is the time I'm trying to blend the fake baby hairs with my real baby hairs, because them baby hairs is poking through, boo. It don't look crazy, but you know, it's the effect of illusion. Like, we gotta fool these people, like make them think it's ours. So I cleaned off the makeup around I'm doing the baby hairs because I don't want the products to mix, and I should have cleaned more, but I made it work. Everything gets cleaned and fixed with alcohol. So you can either use mousse, but today I want to try some gel because I don't have time to be redoing my baby hairs every day. So it's my first time using this gel, so I'm going to let you know how it works. But you cut off a little section. Everybody does baby hair different. I honestly don't do baby hairs. Like, this is my second time doing it, so I'm going to be struggling a little bit, but it came out cute at the end. So fake it till you make it, sis. And you just swipe that on, play with it until you like it. But you see how I blended it with my natural baby hairs. And it's just gel, so it shouldn't harm the hair that much, you know. And we're going to do the other side. Cleaning it with alcohol again, so the products don't mix. And this is the final results. Scalp, baby. Do you see that wig? Oh my god, it looks like a frontal. This is my 5x5 closure from my hairline. If you're interested, please look at my links down below and message me. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.